What's up everyone, it's your girl Ivy and I'm back again with another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? Yeah. From the title you can tell I'm going to be doing a review of my midterm exam results. I haven't been posting after, I haven't posted anything after midterms, I think, which is not good. But school has been getting harder and harder and harder. So I did post a lot before midterms. I showed you guys my whole process of studying until midterm exams. So I'm going to be doing a review of my midterm exam results. Let's see if the studying was worth it. So I'm taking 5 courses this semester, and the first one is environmental and sustainable development. It's an elective. It has nothing to do with my degree. It's just those extra things that they add. So environmental and sustainable development, first aid, physiology, molecular cell biology 2, and organic chemistry 2. Okay, those are the 5 courses that I'm taking this semester. I'm going to talk about the midterm exam. This has been the least stressful midterm exam I've had since I started university. Least stressful, because I think I prepared well enough for most of the courses. Now to the results. Okay, I'm going to start with the course that I considered my hardest, and from the results it was truly my hardest. The course that I found hardest was molecular cell biology 2. I don't know if I just didn't study correctly, or maybe I don't know. I feel like because I didn't attend the last class where we had to review everything and have an example of have an idea of what was going to come and how it was going to come. I didn't attend that class because I was sick. If you watch my video of my vlog for the week before midterms, you know what I'm talking about. I was sick. So I didn't go to that class and ended up so that was the hardest, followed by organic chemistry 2, of course. Then I don't know which one was harder between environmental and sustainable development and physiology. I feel like they were both kind of the same, but environmental and sustainable development has a lot of notes and so many topics. So maybe the studying part was the part that was hectic. Then the easiest course, which I got the highest in, was first aid. Easy. So now we're going to go to the grades. Okay, we're going to go to the grades. Let's talk about it individually. So the first course, as I said, the hardest was molecular cell biology 2. I got 68%. Now I'm gonna say this. At first, in my head, when I saw this result, I was like, that's 50% of the final grade, and I got 68%. But no, then I realized it's only 30% of the final grade, because we have we had to do a presentation which is carrying 20% of the final grade. Then I think final exam is going to carry 50%, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. But I think final exam carries most, weight. Now, because I got 68%, now since midterm carries 30% of the final grade at the end of the semester, I can say I got 20% out of 30%, which is not bad if you ask me. I think it's not bad. I just have to do really good in finals, and I pray I did well in my presentation, then I'm set. Then the second one, organic chemistry 2. If you've taken organic chemistry before, or you're taking organic chemistry right now, you know how hard organic chemistry is. Even just the simple chemistry is hard. Not more organic chemistry. Your organic chemistry is hard. But for organic chemistry, I got 76%. I am proud of myself. I cried when I saw the results. I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Because I studied. Probably 76%. Wow, that's not even, bro. For something as hard as organic chemistry, getting 76% is phenomenal. Phenomenal. It's good. Organic chemistry is hard. There's lots and lots and lots of notes. It's a lot. I just can't take it. I can't take it. But I did my best. I did what I could. I studied from day one till that midterm exam, and I got 76%. I was proud of myself. And now let's move on to the next course, which is going to be physiology. So physiology, you know what physiology is about, right? Like organs, systems of the body and everything. So for this course, it was graded out of 50%, not out of 100%. If you understand what I mean, like how these courses, they put like 76%, 68%, but for physiology it was out of 50%, and I got 40 out of 50%. Is how he graded it. 40 out of 50%, because it's like midterm is 50% of the final grade, and finals is 50% of the final grade. So instead of making it like out of 100, he's just doing 50-50. So like physiology, I got 40 out of 50%. If that was like out of 100, it would be like 80%, which is good. It's good. And I hope I do better in finals. If I can get like maybe like a 90, it would be lovely. It would be lovely. But yeah, I got 40 out of 50%. It was not very hard, but there was few questions. That's the problem. Those few questions. It's like, why is there very few questions? That's crazy. But anyways, that's happened. Anyways, physiology didn't have so many notes. It didn't have, the notes were not too much. They were just normal. I feel like the last topic, the one that we learned in the last week, was the one that brought me down, because in my last, I had my last physiology class on like Friday, and like on Saturday I had an exam, and then the following exam was like, I think on Monday. So the thing is, I didn't really have like enough time to actually study that topic for the first time, revise again. You understand what I mean? So that I think questions from that topic is what brought my mark to 40%. Otherwise, I'm not complaining. It was a good grade. Then next course is environmental and sustainable development. Environmental and sustainable development, I got 85%. If you go to my TikTok, I posted this video of like the night before my exam. I was revising, and I revised for like 6 hours straight, and I think it was worth it. It was worth it. So environmental and sustainable development is like, it has a lot of notes, but like from the name of the course you can tell what it's about, but like it has so many notes and you can't really know like what's important, what's not, and it brings a few questions from all those notes. You can't even know like where would the question come from. It's crazy. That's all on environmental and sustainable development. The next course is first aid. I haven't skipped any, have I? First aid. Drum rolls, please. 100%. 100%. This was the easiest exam. It was so... chef's kiss. It was so easy. It's like she lets us know exactly what's up. It would have been so bad if I failed, when she was literally just spoon feeding. It will happen. Like, it was so good. 100%. And so that's all. I feel like I'm going to have my academic comeback this semester. I'm hoping and I'm praying. I have faith, because I've done my best, and I've studied way harder than I did last semester. Last semester was kind of crazy, but we done change that this semester, okay? We are hoping for an academic comeback. I'll come back after my final exam and after the final results come out at the end of the semester. I'll be back here on this YouTube channel with receipts to show y'all, to let you guys know what's up. If I do get good grades at the end of it, I'm going to explain how I studied in detail, okay? Yeah, I think that's all for today. Yeah, that's all for today. I miss you guys so much. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I hope I'm going to start posting more. It's just that school is, and I have exams soon, so I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, if you watched to the end, comment the little stack of books emoji down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Missing someone.